Ever wondered how some people stay fit and healthy effortlessly? It's not magic, it's habits. Today I'm revealing 7 daily habits that fit and healthy people swear by, and how you can copy them to transform your life. The secret to staying fit. Have you ever looked at someone and thought, how do they stay fit without struggling? The truth is, it's not about genetics or crazy workouts. It's about small, daily habits that keep them active, healthy, and full of energy. In this video, I'll break down 7 simple habits that you can start today to get in shape and stay that way. Stick around, because habit number 5 is a game changer. First things first, fit people drink water as soon as they wake up. Your body loses water while you sleep, and dehydration slows down your metabolism and energy levels. Drinking a full glass of water in the morning kickstarts digestion, flushes out toxins, and wakes up your system. Want to take it up a notch? Add lemon for extra detox benefits. Here's a secret. Fit people don't rely on just gym workouts. They move throughout the day, whether it's a 10-minute morning stretch, a short walk after meals, or taking the stairs instead of the elevator. They make movement a natural part of life. The best part? You don't need a gym. Just find small ways to stay active daily. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not eating enough protein. Fit people make sure they get protein in every meal. Why? Because protein keeps you full, builds muscle, and burns fat faster. Whether it's eggs, chicken, tofu, or even protein shakes, make protein a priority in your diet. You might think fitness is all about exercise and diet, but did you know sleep is just as important? Fit people get at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Why? Because poor sleep leads to weight gain, cravings, and low energy. To improve your sleep, try avoiding screens before bed, keeping your room cool and dark, and sticking to a regular sleep schedule. Fit people aren't always on strict diets. They follow the 80-20 rule. That means 80% of the time, they eat whole nutritious foods, and 20% of the time, they enjoy treats guilt-free. This balance keeps them healthy without feeling restricted. So next time you crave pizza, enjoy it. Just balance it with healthy meals. Stress is a silent weight gain trigger. Fit and healthy people manage stress through meditation, deep breathing, journaling, or just taking a break. High stress increases cortisol, which leads to belly fat storage. Try 5 minutes of deep breathing or a short walk when you feel stressed. It makes a huge difference. Fit people don't aim for perfection, they aim for consistency. They don't stress over missing a workout or eating dessert. They just get back on track the next day. So don't beat yourself up over small mistakes. Focus on progress, not perfection. Copy these and see the results. Now that you know these 7 daily habits, start adding them to your life one by one. Which habit do you already follow? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more life-changing health tips. See you in the next one.